So when I first started off this course, I really thought it was going to be difficult, especially since I'm taking it online. I thought it was going to be really hard since you have to do everything yourself, usually typically for an online course, read the book, you have to be very disciplined. But I really enjoyed overall is that you upload lectures and we can actually follow along either with a PDF or type along and take notes with you through the PowerPoint, which was really helpful in understanding, be able to learn from what you said and get examples. But overall, I think my favorite thing is still from what we learned in the upper extremities as the lower is just understanding exactly where the muscles start and insert and understanding exactly what functions they do. And I just think it's really interesting, especially when you apply it to exercise and you can understand what movements you're doing and how it's actually doing those movements and which parts of the muscles can do flexion and extension, and you're understanding how you're doing them. I think the overall challenge so far for me, besides after learning the vocabulary, was definitely applying it, because there's so many muscles that activate one movement, like doing a squat. That was just really hard to actually sit there and think, okay, well, this muscle can do this, well, this muscle can do that, but which ones are actually all being activated at this one time was definitely a challenge, but just practice and learning it and going over material definitely helped in the future. Let's see. And this can also really help me in the future, especially with occupational therapy, is understanding, because usually most people you work with, you're trying to teach them how to be more independent, because let's say for example you're working with a lot of older people, they lose mobility in their hands, and understanding exactly how those muscles work, you can help strengthen those as well as help prevent future injuries or worsen those injuries. So yeah, that's all I have.